You have greasy hair? I can fix that. Your scalp is your crown, not an oil field. And these holistic tips are going to help you balance that oil on your head. All right. And you can do this at home. And you probably already have these ingredients. And if you don't, they're affordable options. One, you're going to take rosemary or peppermint if you don't have rosemary, and you're going to steep it in hot boiling water for about 10 minutes. Let it cool because we don't want to pour that scalding hot water on our head. You're going to let it cool, and that's going to be your final rinse when you're in the shower. So why rosemary or peppermint? Well, it regulates oil production and it stimulates the scalp. Now, if you don't have rosemary or peppermint, the next option is apple cider vinegar. And if you're thinking, wow, am I going to smell tangy? Yeah, you absolutely will. You're going to smell like a salad dressing, but it's only going to last for 10 minutes, okay? You're going to take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of water, and that's going to be your final rinse. You're going to let it dry, and then you'll see the difference, okay? But if you absolutely hate the smell of apple cider vinegar, you just lightly rinse with water, and then you're done. Two, tea tree oil. Now you're going to add 2 drops to your shampoo, only 2 drops, okay? It is a natural astringent. Your scalp is going to feel so clean. And if you're thinking that's not going to work, then don't do it, boo-boo. Don't do it. I'm not going to force you. But if you do want to try, do it 1 to 2 times a week. Why does it work? Tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties that balance oil production and cleanse the scalp. This stuff is amazing. 3, bentonite clay. I love this thing. Okay, you're going to take 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay. You're going to put it in 1 cup of water. Mix, 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 and then you're going to pour it on your head. Leave it for 5 minutes. But while you wait, you could also massage your scalp, which is really good for you. You should be massaging your scalp like 3 to 4 times a week. Okay. After the 5 minutes, you're going to rinse it thoroughly. Now make sure that you run extra water so you don't clog your drains. And if you're scared to do this, you can do this outside the shower and rinse outside or in a bowl. Because I'm not here to clog your drains, boo-boo. I'm not here to do that. Okay, let's go back to the massaging. You should try to massage your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes before you shampoo. Why? It's going to help release stagnant excess oil on your scalp. Now you want to move your scalp when you're massaging. Just don't use your fingertips and kind of go like that. You want to actually move your scalp. It's physically removing buildup, and it's great for stress-related oil production. It's great for circulation, and it's so soothing and relaxing. I do it 3 to 4 times a week. You're not going to like this one, boo-boo, but processed food and excessive sugar, they can trigger more oil production. So inflammation caused by these foods or blood sugar spikes can overstimulate the sebaceous glands, leading to more sebum. I mean, it makes sense because I shine bright like a diamond when I eat a lot of processed food or too much sugar. Speaking of food, let's get your omega-3s, B12s, all the vitamins, zinc, B6, nutrients that our bodies need. It's 2025. Why are we putting diesel in our cars that require high-octane premium gas? That's not a really good comparison because I don't know anything about cars. Another thing that's going to help the slip and slide on your head is getting your gut in check. Gut health is so important, so pay attention to the triggers. What makes your gut feel good? What hurts it? Do you feel inflamed? Do you feel bloated? This all ties into our overall health, and an oily head is no exception. And when you're thinking about healthy foods, I'm talking about salmon. Pop a few walnuts in your mouth, all right? Spinach, avocado, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas. The list goes on. But try to get your gut and nutrition in check. It is going to help. I'm not going to force you to do anything you don't want to do, but I'm telling you, it is going to help. And the next one, aloe vera. I know. It is so hydrating and soothing. I didn't even think about this years ago, but I started doing it and it helps so much with oil production. You're going to take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. You can add tea tree or peppermint oil or lavender oil to it if you want, like a few drops, but you're going to leave that in your hair for 30 minutes and then you're going to rinse. Now, why does it work? So aloe vera actually soothes and hydrates without adding any extra grease, and it gently removes excess oil buildup. And that is what we want. I want to do this about once a week. This has changed my life. So I have really greasy hair naturally, and these things have helped. But what also has helped me is picking clear shampoos, not those creamy looking ones. And I don't condition my hair after. I stopped conditioning my hair 2 years ago, and my hair has been healthy. I feel like if you do have to condition your hair, just focus on your ends. Do not move up. So like your cutoff should be like right here. You don't want to add it to your scalp at all if you're dealing with really greasy hair. But why does it work? Clear shampoos tend to have fewer conditioning agents and heavy ingredients compared to creamy, opaque ones. This makes them ideal for removing excess oil without leaving behind that buildup that can weigh our hair down. And the last one, avoid excess heat. I know, boo boo, I love blowouts too, but excessive heat can be the cause of more oil production. Instead of styling your hair every day, maybe do it twice a week. But listen, I'm not going to force you to do anything you don't want to do, boo boo. All right? That's not what I'm here for. These are the things that I've done. These are the things that I do to combat that slip and slide on my head. Try these out or don't, but I'm going to leave you with one self love meditation. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Feel the weight of your body grounded and steady. You are safe, you are strong, and you are exactly where you need to be. Whatever challenges you face, remember, they are temporary. You have overcome so much, and you will continue to grow through every experience. Each part of you, from your strengths to your imperfections, is valuable. You are whole, just as you are. Now breathe in confidence and breathe out self-doubt. You are enough simply by being here. Take this moment to honor yourself because you deserve it. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Sending you love and light.